You join us today on our little 5-inch outdoor live steam track, which needs a little bit of maintenance. Many of these sleepers have been down 25-30 years, and some have been replaced. And in recent years, I've been replacing them with these plastic wood type samples, which have been proved to be extremely durable. I've got 3 in a row here, which really need replacing because the track actually then spreads and derails the trains. Let's get on with that then.
Stupidly, I'd not brought my angle grinder with me, and I was restricted to a few basic hand tools. Fortunately, these sleepers had been replaced not that many years ago with some timber ones which had rotted quite rapidly, so the screws weren't actually that badly rusted into the chairs, and they came out relatively easily. This was a very good job, as I didn't even have a drill with me other than the very small one that I was using as a pilot hole. The timber sleepers that I'd taken out were completely rotted.
So with the old sleeper removed, I've placed the new wooden sleeper in position, got it all lined up, and I drill the hole just slightly for the first chair. I'm using some black japanned round-headed screws, which seem to last outside for an awfully long period of time, and they go in the little pilot hole, and then you just screw those in nice and tight.
These japanned round-headed screws actually screw into this plastic timber remarkably firmly, quickly and easily. I think the plastic is almost self-lubricating.
So that's now attached on this side. I've then got to gauge the track and repeat on the other side. So I'm looking for the track gauge to be just over 5 inches. This isn't near a corner. Sometimes I allow it to go up to an 1/8 of an inch over, particularly on the tight corner that's a little bit further round. But this is on the end of the main straight, one of the 2 straight pieces in our track. So this is literally just a whisker over 5 inches, so that the track can be correct gauge. So that's that first sleeper done. And then we've got a second one to do. A quick check with the gauge, we're bang on, that's fine. We take the old support sleepers out, lower the track back down, job done. Obviously I've got to sort out the gravel around it and pack the gravel properly, but that will now take trains without spreading its load. So after a couple of hours of work, we've replaced all the wooden sleepers, just leaving the previously brown plastic type sleepers in quite a long length, including that goes round our really sharp corner. So right until here, we've replaced all the sleepers. I've just got these few to finish at the other end of the straight, and then I will have replaced 23 in total. Not bad for a couple of hours work.